Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got two Look Fantastic August boxes. So what they look like. So Look Fantastic are bringing out two different variations of their monthly subscription box for August. Now they did the same for their July box, and it was due to their boxes selling out pretty quickly and they didn't want to disappoint. So they've decided to do it for August as well. I'm not sure whether this will be an ongoing thing, whether it's a new thing. Lots of different subscription boxes do different variations, but with Look Fantastic, I've been with them now for over 3 years, and this is the first time that they've started doing this. So as soon as I find out any more information, I will let you know. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in these boxes, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's based in the UK and they ship worldwide. The cost of the box is £15 a month, and if you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, and they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside the box you will find 6 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and nails, etc. Although saying that, being a subscriber for many years now, I would say it tends to have more of a skincare bias. So if skincare is your thing, I definitely recommend you check this box out. The value of the boxes come to a minimum of £50 or more, and it's a chance to try different products that you might not have already tried. The sizes differ. We get full size items, we get travel sizes, we get minis. Sometimes we've had samples in there, but the samples tend to be like extra added gifts, like a little perfume or something like that. These boxes are kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Now I also take out my own personal subscription, and I take out a 12-month subscription. So instead of paying £15 a month, I pay £13 a month. And the reason I do that is because I really like these boxes. It's one of my favorite subscription boxes, and it has been for a long time, but I just like to give them as treats to my friends and family for birthdays. And I also put them up on my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well, which are both called Diary of a Beauty Geek, for giveaways. So if you're not already following me on there, then I'll pop links down in my description. You're welcome to do so. So let's get on to opening these up and showing you what we get inside. So this is what it looks like, and we got the return of the booklet as well. In previous boxes we were able to look at the leaflet online, but we all miss it, especially me, because you know, part of my unboxings is to tell you a little bit about the products, so it's handy to refer back to some information, plus it gives you the cost as well. So the sneak peek then for this is August. The sneak peek for September box is an Elemis product, and this is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is a anti-wrinkle day cream, and we got 15 mils here, and it's worth £30. So everyone who subscribes and everyone who is already a subscriber will receive that in their box next month. So the theme for this month is radiance. It says radiate positivity and feel lit from within this August with little help from our Radiance Edition beauty box, filled with 6 products specially curated to help you shine both inside and out. So as well as showing you the products that are inside the box, it also provides information about new beauty products. It has interviews, etc. So if you didn't already know, Look Fantastic have a huge online beauty store, so it's all the products and things are related to that in there. So I'll show you variation 1 first. So there's that. Show you variation 2. Now for the month of August, you will either receive variant 1 or variant 2. It doesn't matter if you're a long-standing subscriber or a new subscriber. It's going to be a bit of a surprise for August, because last month there was quite a bit of confusion, especially when I received my box super early and I did an unboxing, and then people were messaging me saying, well, I've received a different box, or there's another box on their website. So yeah, I wasn't too sure what was going on, but for August it's all on track. The only difference is than normal, you've got the 2 boxes. There's 2 variations, very similar in cost, very similar in content, and you're not going to know which box you're going to receive. So I'll go through the items that are in both boxes first, and then I'll go through the items that aren't. So in both of the boxes we've got a Ahava Dead Seawater Mineral Body Lotion, and there's 40 mils there. Just want to try a little bit on my hand. It feels nice. It does feel really nice. Oh, it's lovely. It's a very natural scent. It reminds me very much of like a nice smelling suntan lotion, but it's subtle. It's quite fresh, but it's subtle. It's not overly fragrant, which is nice. So yeah, so what can I tell you about it? So in each box variation, you will either receive this body lotion, which I've shown you, which is the Sun-Kissed body lotion, or you will receive a mineral hand cream, or you'll receive a mineral body lotion that is not Sun-Kissed. I don't know the difference between the two. Besides the one I showed you, those are the other items. So you'll be definitely getting one of those in both boxes. And it says here, deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized, refreshed and restored. And the cost of these body lotions are £8. Next, you'll receive a Mayo, a sun-drenched body wash, and these are 30 mils each. So a 30ml body wash will cost you £3.15, and it says, with a delightful citrusy scent and subtle shimmer running throughout, deeply hydrate your skin with this Mayo body wash, formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. That sounds amazing, actually. That sounds really lovely. I know it's a cleanser, but I just want to have a sniff. Oh, yeah. Oh, I just love it. I love fruity things. I absolutely love it. Yeah, that is gorgeous. There'd be one of those in both boxes. Next, we got the sneak peek that was in the July box. And this is a Caudalie, and this is a Venusaur skin serum. And there's 10 mils here. So 10 mils of this radiant serum is worth £15.33, a worldwide cult favourite and for good reason. This Caudalie facial serum is packed full of vinferin, patented by Caudalie themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C, and scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. So each box will receive one of those. So then we go on to the items that will differ. Now these two are by the same brand, Percy and Reed, but in variation 1 we've got the Wonder Balm. It's for your hair. I have had this a few times and I absolutely love it. I loved it so much that I went out and I bought the full size version. It is so good. I tend to use it just before I tong my hair. I dry my hair as normal and I use like a heat protection spray and everything. So when it's dry then, I just put a little dollop of this in my hands and then I grab my hair and I just run it through my ends like that. And you think, how on earth is that going to dry, you know, because I want to tong it. But it does. It dries pretty quickly, and when you brush it out, it just leaves your hair super soft, and it just makes my waves stay put longer in my hair. So in variation 1 you'll get the Wonder Balm, and this is worth £8, and it says, a miracle primer for your hair, use alone or before styling to enhance your do. This Percy and Reed's balm makes hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine and definition. Then in variation 2 we got a volumizing mousse, and this is 50 mils. I don't recognise the packaging. I don't think I have ever tried this. I have tried quite a few of the products in different subscription boxes over the last couple of years. It says, go large, supersize your style. So this 50ml bottle is worth £8, and it says, get a long-lasting volume with the help of this Percy and Reed volumizing mousse, which will give your hair body and volume without feeling stiff or greasy. And then the last 2 items in each box are completely different from each other. So in variation 1, we've got an Ico London Lash Alert mascara, Wake Up and Go, and this is in shade black, and we've got 4 mils there. I'll just open it up and show you the wand, like a little curvy wand there to get right in at your lashes. Unfortunately for me, I don't like them. They don't suit my lashes. I like the Ico eyeliners, but none of the Ico London mascaras suit me, unfortunately. So in your variation 1 box, you will either receive this Lash Alert or a Black Magic mascara. You can see there. So you'll receive either one of those 2 mascaras. These are worth £10, and it says, get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Ico mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking or crumbling, just black fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. And then in variation number 2, we have got a product by Ren Clean Skincare, and this is the Global Protection Day Cream. We got 15 mils here. No, I've tried this before, and this is a really lovely cream. It's very lightweight, it absorbs easily into the skin, and it's just a really nice cream. Leaves my skin feeling nice and fresh. So this 15ml day cream is worth £10.20, and it says Ren's best-selling protective moisturiser, perfect for sensitive skin. A blend of antioxidants and nourishing seed oils help to protect your skin from dehydration and pollution, 2 contributing factors to visible aging. So there's that. And the last product in Variation 1 box is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's a mineral blush in shade Amaretto. I'll just turn it around there. I'll open it up and give you more of a view. Okay, I'll just put a tiny bit on my hand there just to show you the shade. It is a really pretty sort of coral shade with very slight sort of shimmery particles in there, only very subtle. That is gorgeous. I have got this. I've received this before. I'm not sure in what subscription box, but it is really nice. It is nice. The only thing that puts me off with mineral blushes is just the mess. What I do, I put it on my hand like that, get my brush, dab it in, tap off as much as possible, and then lightly do it. It's lovely, and it does blend in lovely, and it just sits really nicely on your skin. I much prefer a pressed blush. I just got more control over it. In Variation 1 you'll receive this blush, and this is worth £15. It's creamy, non-comedogenic and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of colour to your face whilst looking completely natural. And then lastly, in Variation number 2, we've got a little mini Avant cream, and this is a shea butter hyaluronic sweet almond and vitamin B3. It's deluxe hyaluronic acid, vivifying face and eye night cream, and we've got 10 mils here. This is a gorgeous cream. It's a really lovely cream. I've tried a few of them in different subscription boxes. The full size, which is what, 30 mils, is worth like 90 odd pound. So how much is this little one worth? Yeah, this 10 mil is worth £20. It says this anti-aging moisturizer penetrates deep into your skin surface so you can awaken with a refreshed, more youthful complexion. Hyaluronic acid improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Seawater restores moisture and balances oil production. And vitamin B3 reduces large pores and dark pigments. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to add them all up on each box and I'll come back to you. So starting with box Variation number 1. Hopefully you can see all the products there. This box comes to just over £59. So 3 products are exactly the same as Variation 2. 1 product is from the same brand, and then you've got 2 completely different items. So for me personally, even though I absolutely love Look Fantastic, I am not blown away by this box, if I'm honest. It's mostly items I've tried before, but the Bella Pierre blush, it's lovely, it is nice, but it's not something that I tend to seek out because, as I said, you know, I just find it a little bit more tricky to apply, but that's just me. So I'll probably be passing that on. The Caudalie serum, that is a lovely serum, so I'll be keeping it, but I've had it before. The Wonder Balm, again, it's a fab product, but I've had it before. The Ico mascara doesn't suit me, so I'll be giving that away. I love the smell of the body wash, that is stunning, and the body lotion as well. I have got quite a lot of different body lotions that are on the go at the moment. I tend to use different ones all the time. I don't tend to stick to the same one. You've got nearly £60 worth of products and you're paying £15, so the value is definitely there, but for me personally it's not a wow box. So going on to box Variation number 2. So this box is £64, so there's about a £5 difference in value, so not much. I prefer Variation 2. The reason why is because I will use everything. Again, it doesn't blow me away. There's some fantastic brands there, you know. You've got Caudalie, Ren, Avant, some really gorgeous brands there. But the thing that I'm a little bit disappointed with is the Avant cream. Now, we have had the full size Avant cream in subscription boxes in Look Fantastic, in other subscription boxes as well. You know, that is as well as all the other products. So it's a shame that we couldn't have a bigger size, but that little size is worth £20 because it is quite a pricey range. I think it would have been nice to have the full size, considering we've had it before in the box, and I think it would just improve the overall feel of the box for me personally. We're all different, aren't we? It's by no means a bad box, you know, as I said with Variation 1. The value, you know, it's way above £15, but unfortunately for me, their August boxes are not really wow boxes. But yeah, as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of these boxes? Do you have a preference for Variation 1 or 2? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I forgot to say at at the start that if you are interested in subscribing to Look Fantastic, I do have a code that Look Fantastic have given to me. I'll pop that down in the description, and all links related to their website and subscriptions. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description, and all details and links will be down there. But yeah, so if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.